Okay, so everybody wonders what I ride here. We saw the video that I posted previously with the Tail of the Dragon in Tennessee, North Carolina area there. This is my 2014 Harley Davidson Electric Glide Ultra Classic. Yes, you can see it is up on a jack there right now because I'm just getting ready to replace the exhaust on it. It currently has the Screaming Eagle street cannons on it. And we're going to be changing those over to the new Tab Performance 4.5 inch BAM sticks with the zombie baffles. So I've done some work to the bike already. It's fairly custom. These are all bolt-on customs. We've got the Kuryakin Black Widow footrests, floorboards. We've got the Kuryakin adjustable footrest for the passenger. We've got the Screaming Eagle heated seat. This is called the hammock seat with a backrest. Some shroud covers, Kuryakin shift lever ends there. Again, more Kuryakin floorboards. This run-of-the-mill, I call it the Darth Vader mask. I'll be changing that when I find one that's got a Black Widow kind of a theme. Screaming Eagle wires, custom pinstriping that I did myself there. Got cup holders, new mirrors. I don't remember what brand they were, but these are the Kuryakin grips. Some custom stickers that kind of sort of match my theme. These were some other stickers that were available, so you can see the space there that the current exhaust takes. Got a hitch on the bike because I carry a trailer when I do long distance rides. And on this side we've got a similar sort of effect. We got the Screaming Eagle breather there, a bunch of engine shrouds. Still have the Harley Davidson cover there on the end of the cam. And some blackout kit there a little bit. So I like it. It's a little mixed up. It's a great riding bike. I also have this chrome neck cover, I guess you would call it, and that's the bike. It is a little bit dirty. I do ride it. I ride it frequently. I got some chrome dash covers there. I swapped out the small screen for the bigger screen, and they say that this Clockworks windshield doesn't work with these Harley Davidson bags. It is a tight fit, but clearly you can see it actually works. So to change the pipes, I'm going to need to remove the saddlebags here, and they're just simple quarter turn locks. There are some upgrades for these, but you can see they just click and lock and unlock. So we'll put these in a safe spot. We'll be right back. Okay, so I've got the bags removed, and what I want to show you here is make sure you don't forget to undo your tail lights and brake lights. For me, I have a second harness there, that white clip, and that's for my Wizard light kit. So all we're going to be doing is removing these two bolts on the back and this bolt here underneath. Once we get that taken off, then we'll just be able to slip on the new ones and get going. You can see there's part of the light kit there that runs down that rear bracket that lights up the bag and the ground. There's also another one underneath here, another light bar underneath there, so that it reflects off the exhaust. Okay, so here they are. This is the new Tab Performance 4.5 inch BAM stick with the zombie baffle. Can't really see inside there very well, but you'll get an idea. Like I said, this is the 4.5 inch version. Normally I would do this in my garage. I have some controlled conditions in there and a makeshift studio, but I've got this beast in the way. So if you know anybody who's looking for a 1951 Mercury lead sled, please leave it in the comments below, and we'll get back to the install on these pipes. They are pretty looking, that's for sure. And you know, I can't say enough about the guys at Tab Performance. When I contacted them, they were very, very fast to respond. Shipping was very quick, even though it was international. So if you're thinking about shipping to Canada, it's not a problem. And they do have an all-in price including duties and taxes. So thanks again, Tab. Okay, so they are on the bike. I did have a small fitment issue right there. It was really easy to solve. I put a cloth on each of them. I put a pry bar in here and just torqued it over just a little tiny bit. It's likely due to the way that the original head pipe, well, this is not the original head pipe, but the Vance & Hines power dual was installed. And it may not have been perfectly straight or the direction that this pipe needed to go. Called Tab Performance, and once again, they're on the ball. They told me exactly what I should do just by twisting the pipe, moving the pipe over, loosening bolts, things like that. And if you have any questions for them, I do definitely recommend you give them a call. I'll leave their phone number and their website down in the bottom section here. And we'll put saddlebags on, fire back up.